Are you feeling stuck? या कभी कभी ऐसा लगता है कि दुनिया बहुत आगे निकल रही है और मैं बहुत पीछे रह गया हूँ, वो पीछे रह गई हूँ. Don't worry, you're not the only one. It happens to the best of us. And especially the people who are in their early 20s, even late 20s, early 30s, who are trying to figure out life. और सोशल मीडिया पे टाइम स्पेंड करने के बाद या अपने फ्रेंड्स या अपने ऑफिस में कलीग्स को देख के कभी कभी ऐसा लगता है कि यार उसने तो ये इतना सब कुछ अचीव कर लिया और मैं अभी तक बस यहीं पे हूँ. तो आई थिंक ये फीलिंग बहुत नॉर्मल है और कभी कभी बहुत ओवरवेलमिंग भी हो जाती है. आई मीन, इफ अगर मैं ये कहूँगा कि मेरे को ये फीलिंग नहीं होती तो आई बी लाइंग. आई फील दैट अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स एज वेल. And especially in today's day and age where most of us spend so much time on social media, could be out of work or could be just a normal a time pass thing, but we still spend a lot of time, a decent amount of time on social media. और सोशल मीडिया पे देखने में आपको आप देखते हो लोग, people are doing, you might see people are doing pretty damn good for themselves. Like किसी का बहुत बड़ा बंगला है, किसी के पास बहुत सारी गाड़ियाँ हैं, किसी के पास बहुत सारा पैसा है. एंड यू सी लॉट ऑफ अबंडेंस ऑन सोशल मीडिया और आप सोचते हैं कि यार कि मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ अपनी लाइफ में और मैं तो कहीं जा ही नहीं रहा एज कम्पेयर टू दिस. तो I maybe the people you're looking at are actually doing good. If they're doing good, then good for them. Like they've probably worked hard for it, and behind their social media life, they might be actually working pretty hard for it. So that's good for them, well deserved. All you can do is probably take some inspiration from them. आप हमसे इंस्पिरेशन ले सकते हैं अगर ऐसे कोई इन्फ्लुएंसर्स या रोल मॉडल्स हैं जिसको आप सोशल मीडिया पे बहुत फॉलो करते हो और जो एक्चुअली में कुछ यूजफुल चीज़ अपने सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म से पास ऑन कर रहे हैं. तो अच्छी चीज़, अच्छी बात है, हमें उनसे कुछ सीखना ही चाहिए. एंड देयर इज नो हार्म इन डूइंग दैट. On the other hand, like some people you're looking at social media might be just showing you things that are deceiving. Their life might be a lie. वो हो सकता है पर्दे के पीछे कुछ और हो या उसकी ज़िंदगी कुछ और तरीके से और पर्दे के सामने बस दिखा रखा है कि जो सारा धन दौलत गाड़ी पैसा सब उन्हीं के पास है. Even if it is that, I'm no one to comment. Everyone has different ways of living life, and who are we to judge, right? बट हाँ, इतना सब कुछ सोशल मीडिया पे देखने के बाद या अपने आसपास देखने के बाद हम बहुत ओवरवेलम हो जाते हैं कभी कभी और लगता है कि यार I'm 29, like what am I doing with my life? Like it feels like I'm really far behind and I need to do something to be able to catch up. And just वो सोचना, वो stress and all that ways to try and catch up, आप basically उस एक thought loop में ही फंस जाते हो and you're not even able to work or think about your goals and aspirations because you're so overwhelmed at the end of the day. You're burnt out looking at all the social media reels and videos. You're like, I don't even have the energy to achieve my goals anymore. So there's a few things that us normal average human beings can do in order to maintain our sanity. I honestly have been off from a lot of, not like a lot of, the main social media platform that I was on, Instagram. It's been more than a year now. I've been off it. I don't plan to be off Instagram for the rest of my life. But yeah, just you come across some tricky times in your life जब आपको लगता है कि you need to get rid of these distractions, and honestly it helped me a lot. And I'm not saying there's anything bad with any social media platform. It's just like how we use it, and most of us, like majority of the people, use it as just a means of passing time, right? Yeah, some people are making money off Instagram or other social media platforms, and spending time is basically a part of their full-time, part-time, or casual job, which is absolutely fine. So, सबसे पहले तो even if you are spending time on social media, there's nothing wrong about it. I think yes, you just have to watch कि आप कितना time spend कर रहे हो या आप क्या देख रहे हो. What's the kind of the content that you're absorbing on social media. Sorry, I haven't had the best sleep in the last couple of days. That's why I'm just stuttering. Too much caffeine. Anyway, so ये हमें वॉच करना बहुत ज़रूरी है कि हम कितना टाइम स्पेंड कर रहे हैं और हम क्या देख रहे हैं. दूसरी बात ये है, you'll come across a lot of people, maybe some close friends and some people in your age bracket who are doing extremely well in your life. I see like things like this on social media that I'm 17 and I'm already earning in millions. I have 6 businesses, blah blah blah, and it is overwhelming, man. Like if If a 17-year-old tells me that I'm a multi-millionaire and my 29-year-old self looking at my bank balance, I'll be like, the fuck? What am I doing wrong in my life? So, yeah, it's very normal. I think all you can do is just watch what you're watching and limit your time on social media if you can. Instead of spending that much of time on social media, think about what you like, your goals and aspirations, and just see how far you've come. To be honest, हम लोग कभी कभी इतना प्रेजेंट में फंस जाते हैं, उस दिन की भसड़ को सॉल्व करने में, कि हम भूल जाते हैं कि हमने खुद ने कितनी प्रोग्रेस करी है लास्ट सालों में. तो always look how far you've come. It's you versus you. You're not competing with someone else. You're not competing with your friend. You're not competing with anyone on social media. तुम खुद से compete कर रहे हो. तो देखो 5 साल पहले तुम कहाँ थे और आज देखो कहाँ हो. अगर तुमने प्रोग्रेस करी है, you know, give yourself a pat on your back. Like, appreciate yourself, be kind to yourself, and just say that, I've come far and I'm going to keep working hard and I'll achieve whatever that I want to. And if you look at yourself 5 years back and आपको लगता है आपने कोई progress नहीं करी है, it's fine, man. It's not the end of the world. Just promise to yourself from that day कि हाँ, I've had a reality check now और मुझे काम करने की ज़रूरत है कुछ चीज़ों पे. जो भी चीज़, वो कुछ भी हो सकता है, it could be self development, it could be finances, it could be your love life, etc., etc. Focus on your relationship with yourself, compete with yourself and no one else. Watch social media, I have nothing against it. I think it's just like maybe follow the right set of people, see what you're absorbing, content देखो आप क्या देख रहे हो. नहीं तो सोशल मीडिया में तो मन धड़ंग क्या चल रहा है आजकल यार. Like literally, I've been off Instagram for a year and a half, but मैं अपने कल एक दोस्त के साथ बैठा था और वो doom scrolling कर रहा था. And since we were sitting pretty close to each other, and I just had a peep in his phone, and I was just looking at the reels जो वो देख रहा था. It's absolute mind fart. Like उनका meaningless reels, meaningless dopamine spikes, and at the end of that doom scrolling, you're just left burnt out. And that specific friend of mine has a lot of pretty unhealthy habits as well. So you can tell where I'm going towards. So I guess it's very important to watch what you're watching on Instagram. Follow the right set of people. If you think they really inspire you, take inspiration from them rather than competing with them, and maybe apply those principles on your life and work on bettering yourselves and your lives. That's it. Take it easy, man. It's hard times. We live in a chaotic world. It's hard out. It's hard for everyone out there. So take it easy. I know it's hard, but you will make it. Thank you.